Hello guys, and you're welcome to this very short tutorial. My name is Adetono. I just want to quickly demonstrate how to use the Toast Messenger application that I developed. Okay, so what it does, it essentially sends a Toast notification, period. So I've seen, because the reason why I've developed it is because Salesforce does not, or has not given us a standard way for admins to display Toast notification to users. Okay, so in some cases, when admins develop screen flows, I've seen several of them. When it ends and they want to, they want to display like a success message, they will have to add another screen here. They add another screen here to say record created successfully or something like that. No need, right? If in some cases you just need to display a Toast message, and that's why I've developed this. All you have to do is once you install the application on your app, on your org, you go to action. You just find it, just type Toast. It should come up. You pick this one. You won't see this one. You just pick this publish Toast event, because this is actually, I'm using custom event in this. So and that's it. So you then need to just configure it, like the duration, how long you want it. This is 3 seconds. If you want it to refresh the screen once it is done, you want it to refresh the page automatically, just enable this and set it to true. If you don't want it, you just disable it. The message that you want to display it, you just type in the message that you want the users to see, and you configure the mode, dismissible. It will auto close, and it will also show you the the close button. For sticky, you only have you have to manually close it. Okay, so it remains on the screen. And for pester, you have it it will auto close at the same time, but there won't be a close button. That's the difference between pester and dismissible. And the title, give it any title that you want. Then the type, how do you want it? So success, that's like green, error will be like red, warning orange, and so on and so forth. So for the fourth part, for example, I'm not giving it any duration because I'm sticking with sticky. Remember, sticky would remain on the screen. So, and I have disabled refresh because I want users to be able to read exactly what the fault is, so that they can share that with their admin. Give it a title, and the type is red. It's going to be red because it's error. Okay, and that's essentially it. Okay, so let's go and test this out. One more thing, I have created on account of this org, I've created a validation rule so that account number will be required. Okay, so that we can test the fourth part too. Okay, so if we come to the org itself, you have to add a listener to the screen. So there is a Lightning Web component that we must add to the screen. Okay, see so if you come here and you search for Toast, you will find it, Toast event listener. So you have to add this to the screen. If you want it to happen on this page of account record page, you just embed it into the screen so that it will listen to the event. This one, you can enable this just for you to see, just for you to be able to debug it, right? You see whatever is happening. So yeah, that's essentially it. You configure your flow. Any part where you want those notifications to be displayed, you put it, and you add listener to the record page where you want it, and that's essentially it. So once you have done that, okay, so now I've added this screen flow to the screen here. So let's test it. Let's say test. If you give it account number, something like that, that's it. You have record created successfully, and that's it. Because I enabled refresh, that's why it refreshed the screen, right? Refresh the page. So let's test the fourth part now. Let's also put test, and let's not let's not add, let's not provide this field of account number. Next, see, that's the fourth part, and it will remain on the screen. This way you can just copy it and send it to to your your admin. Yeah, I guess I hope this was helpful, and I want to thank you for listening. Okay, please feel free to let me have your feedback, and if you have other use cases or other pain points, feel free to let me know. If I have time, I may be able to help you. Thank you.